So, it has been a year since I've last posted my last video, and I feel like it is time to get back into YouTube. But before that, I want to make a video explaining to you why I have been out this past year and what's going to change moving forwards. So, the first point is why I haven't been on YouTube, and there are a couple of reasons for that. The first one is that I was getting burned out from YouTube. As you are probably all aware of, I make really long series, or I've been making really long series on really specific topics. And I mean, it is strange because it was the thing that blew up my channel, but at the same time, it is really demotivating to make a series, and as time goes on, you have to put in more and more effort, but the views that you get are getting lower and lower. And that's normal. I mean, it's the nature of things. I myself, when I'm watching a really long series, I've simply stopped watching them midway through a hell of a lot of time, so I get it. The second reason is that I'm working for a company right now. I'm full-time working for them, so time is just not there for me to do this. But I intend to get back and to start doing this again. So now what we have to think about is what's going to change moving forward. So I don't want to get burned out from the content again. So this, what you are looking at right now, is probably going to be one of the most common shots from this channel moving forwards. Which means I'm not going to post that much content that the main shot is actually code. So things are going to change a lot in this channel. I'm going to focus a lot more on how to architecture a platform, as that's something that I've been getting a lot into these past few months. I'm going to talk about how to write good code and clean code. I'm going to talk about how to get your first job or any job as a developer, and what defines a good or bad developer. And I'm going to talk about all sorts of random things related to work-life balance as a developer and productivity tips. So I have a series of videos that I want to do. They will touch on these topics somewhat. So yeah, it will be slightly different. I'm going to try to focus on quality over quantity so that I have more time to think about videos, to actually edit videos, and so on and so forth. That actually brings us to the last point of this video, which is that I'm not going to be editing the videos myself. So I'm going to be hiring a video editor to edit the videos, and I'm doing this in order to be able to focus just on the channel and just on the content, so that I don't have to lose a bunch of hours editing the videos. And because, well, I'm a developer, I know my way around Premiere, but I'm not a professional. So I want to hand that over to someone that actually knows what they are doing, with the main idea being bringing the quality of the content in the channel up. So yeah, let's do it. I'm really grateful to see you all again, and yeah, let's see what the future brings us. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Ciao!